Mopar time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1966 Dodge Charger. Error correct, 383 underneath the hood. It's paired up with an automatic transmission. Nicely equipped power steering, power brakes. Take a look at the front grille, hideaway headlights, chrome in the bumper. Believed to be original miles, a little over 27,000 on it is all. Has had one repaint. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. All those pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on radial tires, chrome wheels, the moon hubcaps, moon wheels if you will. Let's take a look down this passenger side. See the panels long and straight. Paint has a nice shine to it. Chrome and bright work looks good. Red interior. This is an original bucket seat car with center console, so we get 2+2 seating. Of course, the rear seats do fold down, and you'll be able to see that in the still pictures. We'll get around to the driver's side, take a little closer look in a bit, start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood, and if you stick around to the very end of this video, you'll see this car going down the road and kind of take a virtual ride, if you will. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see, dual exhaust. Of course, the trunk area. You'll see that in the still pictures. On these early Chargers, you know, that cool fastback look. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. If you like Mopars, maybe you're into the mid to late 60s or the muscle cars are starting to roll around, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, whether it be online or right off our showroom floor. You can see paint shows nice shine and glossy finish over here on the driver's side also. Be a nice car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Just go down the road nicely, no doubt about that. Take a peek at the door panels. Interior trim of this car would have been red originally as far as carpet and seating surface. Seatbelt's intact. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood. Got a pretty stock looking dash. And again, error correct, 383. Automatic trans. No idea how it sounds. Well, the headliner looks good. Slip around to the back, a little rumble coming out of that 383. All right, let me get this hood open, get that popped. And another thing we want to check out is those headlight doors, I suppose. Not going to set any speed records, but hey, they open up, work fine. How about that? Turn the lights off also, so let's see how they close. And they're closed by the time we get up here. All right, let me get this hood popped, check out this engine bay, and remember, stick around to the very end. Let's see how this car goes down the road. There's a good look at the underside of the hood. There it is. Had Edelbrock 4-barrel on the 383. Looks like a newer master cylinder brake booster. Got power steering, power brakes, of course. Looks like a newer alternator over here also. Pretty clean, tidy engine bay. You'll be able to do any decoding you'd like with the fender tag. In the still pictures will be a close-up of that, close-up of the VIN. 1966 Dodge Charger. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1966 Dodge Charger. Red on red. This is an automatic right here on the center console. Accelerates very nicely. Responsive throttle. Such a nice conditioned car. The carpet, the seats. The headliner. Got a wood steering wheel with finger grooves. Our gauges are working, showing 1/8 of a tank of fuel. The alternator charging above half. 55 miles an hour on the speedometer, and the tachometer right here, 2,000 RPM. Temperature right in the middle of the gauge, and so is the oil pressure just a little over half. So that all looks good. Factory radio works.
With 4 versions of Barbie, one for each of the 4 witches. And there's the problem.
The wipers also working. We do have a couple little droplets coming down, so I can show you that the wipers do work. Brakes are smooth. Easy to steer. Corners as you'd expect for a 66 Charger. Nice rumble coming out the tailpipes. You don't see very many of this style Charger, and this one is looking good in red. Take a look at all the pictures of this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.